Strawberry upside down cake. We start with 2 cups of crushed strawberries that we're going to put over the bottom of our 13 by 9 baking dish. Just get it spread out as best you can over the bottom here. Once you have it spread over the bottom, we're going to take 6 ounces of Jell-O powder and just evenly try to spread it on top of our crushed strawberries. Get that spread over a little bit just to kind of get it even. And we're going to take 3 cups of miniature marshmallows and just kind of get it evenly spread over the top of our strawberry base. Now that we have that, we need to make our cake mix. Start with yellow cake mix. And we're going to add a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of water, and 3 large eggs. Once you have all that together, we're going to get our electric mixer and put it on low. Start to get that mixed together. Then you want to put it on medium after about a minute. Alrighty, now that we got that nice and beaten together, we're going to pour the cake mix over our strawberry marshmallow base. So let's go ahead and just pour that right on top. Get you a spatula to make sure you can get everything out of there. This is a great dessert for July 4th. That's why I'm making it. Giving y'all some good options when you're out there celebrating with family and friends. So just get that cake batter spread over the top of your marshmallow strawberry base. Get that nice and spread around. So now we got the oven preheated to 350. We're gonna throw it in there for about 40 to 50 minutes. 40 to 50 minutes, y'all, and this thing should be about ready. All right, let's take a look. Oh yeah. Looking like a nice golden brown. Oh, it smells so good too. So you're gonna wanna let it cool for about 15 minutes. Then we're gonna have the grand reveal. All right, let's give it a try. And this is strawberry upside down cake, so we want to serve it upside down when we get it out. Ready for the flip? Mm-hmm. There you go, folks. Got your strawberry upside down cake. It's great for the 4th.